Massive burning parts of 7 Northern California counties. It accounts for a quarter of the record 4 million acres burned in California this year. In fact, the August complex could be its own state. It's already larger than Rhode Island. All right, so we do have some rain coming in. Steph, is it going to be enough? Will it bring lightning? Will it bring winds? There's all kinds of,
That's a problem, right? Because lightning does spark some of these fires out there. So let's talk about here.
That one, I want to talk about right now what kind of environment it's in. You notice, here's Delta right in here. There's a lot of moist air. So you've got all of the ingredients in place. You've got lots of moisture in the atmosphere. You don't have much wind shear, and you have very warm sea surface temperatures. So we do expect it to strengthen. And in terms of the steering flow, we've got this subtropical ridge that's building in the flow around it. That's going to help eventually turn it up a bit more to the north. The remnants of Gamma 2, while it's post-tropical, they're still there. They're providing moisture for the environment, and it'll just help with the flow to help push it up here into the Gulf of Mexico. So some interaction with land might knock it down a little bit, but there's not going to be a lot of time spent over land at that point. So it's not going to have, I think, a big impact on the intensity. And then it's back over warm Gulf of Mexico waters. Now we've got this trough digging in late week. And so how quickly that builds in, how strong the trough in, that will really be a very important steering flow that we have to watch in terms of where exactly it will track. So here we go with the timing. This is Saturday early morning, so overnight Friday into Saturdays, we're looking for that potential landfall. Winds at 100 miles per hour, and you ask, why are we going from a Cat 3 or 4 down to a Cat 2 as it approaches land? Because every other system this year had been ramping up as it approached landfall. One is the wind shear, and that trough will help provide some wind shear to help knock it down. But also, we've got some cooler sea surface temperatures right here on that coastal shelf. And so that will help prevent another intensifying system at landfall, which is, a saving grace, Steph. We don't want to have another intensifying storm at landfall.
No, we don't. But, Cat 2
it's still bad.
That's
still
going to mess someone up.
Saturday is National Ride a Motorcycle Day, so you might want to do that. This is your Friday forecast. Watching the rainfall from Delta coming in here to the Mississippi Delta region, spreading through the southeast. So no bicycle riding or motorcycle riding, I should say, here into the southeast as we get into Saturday. Sunday does look better.